Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic decimals, grade 6, chapter number 8, topic is decimals. Grade 7, chapter number 2, topic is fractions and decimals. Basic concepts of decimals are useful for higher education. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with my today's subtopic, and my today's subtopic is equivalent decimal. Equivalent means equal. What is equal? Equal means same. So what is same? The value is same. So to find the required number of equivalent decimals, add zeros on the extreme right hand side of the given decimals in decimal part. What does it mean? Take one example, 24.2. How to get the equivalent decimal? We will add 0 on the extreme right hand side after the decimal. So the equivalent decimal will be 24.20. Now someone say, I want to add two zeros. Okay, you can add two zeros also on the extreme right hand side. Again the value is same. One of my students said, ma'am, I want to add three zeros. I said, okay, you can add three zeros. So if you are adding 10, two zeros, three zeros, or four zeros on the extreme right hand side of the given decimal after the decimal, so you will get equivalent decimal. So I think everybody has understood what is the meaning of this sentence. So this way we get the equivalent decimals. Let us take one more example, 123. Here is no decimal point. If you will add 0 without decimal, so 123 will become 1230. The values will be different. To get the equivalent decimal, first thing we need to put decimal, and after decimal we will write 10. Now you can add two zeros, you can add three zeros, you can add four zeros after decimal on the extreme right hand side to get the equivalent decimal. So I think your concept is clear for the equivalent decimal. Now the next one is like decimal. So like means same. Same concept we have done while doing fraction. There we had like fraction. So like means same, and what is same? Their denominators are same. Now let us see what is same in like decimal. So like means same. What is same? Decimal places should be same. What is decimal places now? So decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. So take the example, here the number is given 27.345. So 1, 2, 3, after decimal we have 3 digits. Now the another number is 1.239. So here also 1, 2, 3, again 3 decimal places. So this is called decimal places. In decimal part, how many digits are there, that is called decimal places. So if these decimal places are same, then these two decimals are known as like decimals. Take one more example, 257.08, two decimal places. Another number is 231.225, 231.25. So here you can see that decimal places are 2. This is same. So these are also called like decimals. Now next one is unlike decimals. So unlike means not same. What is not same? The decimal places are not same. So how to understand, like take two example, 27.34 decimal places are 2. Now here 1.239 decimal places are 3. One number decimal places are 2, another place decimal places are 3. These are not equal, so such type of decimals are known as unlike decimals. Take one more example, 257.089. Here your decimal places are 3. Now the another number is 231.25. Here your decimal places are 2. So again your decimal places are, number of decimal places are not equal. So these are called unlike decimals. We can convert these unlike decimals into like decimals. Next slide we are going to see how can we convert unlike decimals into like decimals. So to convert unlike decimals into like decimals, we need to add the number of zeros to make the decimal places same. So we add these zeros again on the extreme right hand side. So let us take the example 27.34, 2 decimal places, 1.239, 3 decimal places. So one number has 2 decimal places, one number has 3 decimal places. Out of 2, which one is greater? These 3 decimal places is greater. So we will convert each decimal in 3 decimal places. So the greater number of decimal places is 3. So to make the first number 3 decimal places, wherever this cursor is there, we will add 1 0. 0 we always add on extreme right hand side after the decimal. So the next step will be 27.340 and 1.239. So both we have 3 decimal places. So these are the unlike decimals and these are the like decimals. So we have converted unlike decimals into like decimals by adding required number of zeros on the extreme right hand side after the decimal point. Let us take one more example. 7.24, 2 decimal places, 15.246, 3 decimal places, and 349.81 decimal places. So greater number of decimal place is 3. Here you can see 3 places are there. So each number, each decimal we will convert into 3 decimal places by adding zeros on the extreme right hand side. So here these are 2, so we will add only 1 0. So this will become 7.240. This is already 3, and now here we will add 2 zeros. 1 0 will come here and one more 0 will come over here, so that this will become 349.800. So like this. So now these are the unlike decimals and these are the like decimals. Everywhere your decimal places are 3. So this is the way we convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Now the last example is for you. Here your decimal place is 1, here your decimal place is 2, and there is no decimal place, so we can say that 0. So here we will write point and we need to convert into like decimal, so greater number of decimal place is 2. So everywhere we will add the required number of zeros. Here we will add only 1 0 and here we will add decimal and then 2 zeros like this. So these are the unlike decimals, these are the like decimals. So if decimal point is not there, to convert into like decimals we need to add decimal and then require number of zeros on the extreme right hand side. That extreme right hand side is very important. You cannot add zero anywhere, the values should be same. Now complete chapters with subtopics are ready to watch for grade 6. Chapter number 1 knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes, 5 subtopics, and fractions, 10 subtopics. Please note part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now the next subtopic is comparison of decimal. So what is the method? Compare the whole part, greater whole part is greater number. So here two numbers are given. We will compare this whole part 289 and 298. So which one is greater? 298 is greater. And the same thing we have done with the chapter number 1. First we check this first word. This is same. Now we will go for the next one 8 and 9. So which one is greater? 9. So 298.83 will be greater than 289.78. Now step 2, if the whole parts are equal, then we compare the next digit. The next digit is in 10th digit. So here again two numbers are given, 29 and 29, your whole part is same. Then we go for the next one, that is 7 and 8. Which one is greater? 8. So 29.83 will be greater than 29.78. Now suppose if 10th digit place is also equal, then we go for the next place, that is hundredths place digit. So again take two numbers. So here whole part is same. 10th place digit is also same. Then we will go for the next one. So 1 is 0, 1 is 8. So definitely 8 is greater. So 8.783 will be greater than 8.708. Again, if the tens place digit is also same, we will go for hundreds place digit. So let us take the example. So here also you can see that whole part is same. Then we go for the next digit, tens place digit, 7 and 7, this is same. We will go for hundreds place digit, 8 and 8, this is same. Then we will go for thousands place digit. See, I am using th, thousands, because this is th, that is in decimal part. So 9 and 3, which one is greater? 9 is greater. So 2.789 will be greater than 2.783. Now again take few more example. So 78,345, 78,354, these are the whole numbers without decimal. So again 7, this place is same. 8 and 8, again this is same. We will go for the next digit, 3 and 3, this is same. Then we will go for the next digit. So 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. So definitely 5 is greater. So 78,354 will be greater. This concept we have done in chapter number 1. Same concept we will use for decimal. So let us take another example with the decimal. So now we are 79 and 173. So sometimes your decimal places are different. Sometimes students get confused. So it's always better to convert into like decimals. So I have converted into like decimals. It's not necessary in each and every question. Now we can compare the whole part, 79 and 173. So which one is greater? 173 is greater. So first step, we check the whole part. Now take another example. Here your decimal places are same. Whole part is also same. We will go for the next one. 3 and 3, this is same. 4 and 4, this is same. So the last one is 5 and 6. So which one is greater? Definitely 6 is greater. So 0.346 will be greater. By mistake here I have written 5. This should be 4. Please do the correction. Take one more example. So whole part is 5 and 3. So which one is greater? 5 is greater. So 5.45 will be greater. Now 11.10 and 11.001, your decimal place is 3, here your decimal place is 2. So convert into like decimal by adding 0 on the extreme right hand side. Now whole part is 11, whole part is 11, this is same. We will go for the tens place digit. So this is 1 and this is 0. So which one is greater over here? 1 is greater. So 11.10 will be greater. Next one is 35.345 and 34.34. Again, your decimal places are different, so convert into like decimals. Now, your whole part is same, 34, 34. Go for the next digit, 3 and 3. This is same. Next one is 4 and 4. This is same. Now, which is left? 0, 5 and 0. So, which one is greater? 5 is greater. So, 34.345 will be greater. Now decimals in ascending order. So these numbers are given to arrange in ascending orders. Again, we need to do comparison over here. Your decimal places are 3 everywhere. Now we will check the whole part. Whole part is same. Now we will check the tens place digit. This is 8, 9, 9 and 9. So smallest number is 8. Ascending order, we start with the smallest number. So 8.9, 8.893, and just cross out with the pencil. so that now next time you can concentrate only for the remaining numbers. So 999, this is same. We will go for the hundreds place digit 8, 0 and 9. So which one is smaller? 8.903 is smaller. Just cross out. Now again we will compare this 8 and 3. So 3 is smaller. So write down this, cross out this, and the last one is left 8.983. This is the easiest method to arrange in ascending order. Take one more example. So your whole part is same everywhere, you can see. Now we will go for the tens place. So 7, 7, 7, 7. This is also same. Now we will go for the hundreds place. So 8, 0, 6, 6, 5. So smaller one is 0. So we will write down 0.706 and cross out. Again look at the color digit. This is 6 and 6. This is same. Here 5 is also there. So 0.756 is the smallest one. Cross out this. Now 8, 6 and 6. So these two are same. We will go for the next one. This is 0 and 8. So which one is smaller? This 0 is smaller. 0.760. Cross out this also. Now next one is 0.768. Cross out this also. And which is the left one? 0.786. Take one more example. So again the whole part is same. So we will go for the tens place. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we will go for this 0, 1. So now the next one is the pink color digit 0, 1 and then 1. So which one is smaller? This 0 is smaller. So write down this one and cross out. And the next one will be 1 over here. There is also 1. So next we will go for this one 1 and 0. So which one is smaller? 0 is smaller. So write down this one number. Cross out this. The next one will be this. Cross out this. And now here this number will be there because after 0 here this is 7. So this one will be there and the 1 0.1, this is the greater number. So write down this. So every time crossing the number is helpful for us so that we can concentrate on the remaining numbers. Grade 6 of chapter number 7 fraction, grade 7 chapter number 2 fractions. These are the subtopics. Videos are ready to watch. Again, please note part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Decimals in descending order, your concept is same. Only here we will arrange from greater to smaller. So again check your whole part. This is 2007, 207, 206, 200, 207, 206. So 207 is the greater one. So write down this. Then 206, write down this. 200, 207.8 and then I think some mistake is there. So let us do the correction here. Just a minute. Let me do the correction over here. Yeah, it's correct. Sorry. Yeah, it's correct. I have missed one step. So the first thing I have written, once again the same thing I have copied here. Only the whole part I have written with the green color one. So now here we can do comparison 207.08 and 207.8. So which one is greater? 0 and 8. So definitely this is greater. So 207.8. Cross out this. Then next one will be this. So cross out this also. Now we will do comparison for this 206.8 and zero point 0. So again this one is greater. So 206.80, then 206.08 and the last one will be 200.8. Last slide for the arrange in ascending order. I have told you the proper steps. If you know, if you're confident, so you can avoid few steps, and whatever method you like, you can go with that. So take one more example. So these are the numbers given over here. So again, I have written the whole part with the green color so that it is easier for us to find out the greater number. So here whole part is 3 and 3. So we need to do comparison for this 3, and we will go for the next digit. Next digit is 3, 0 and 0. So which one is greater? This 3.3 is greater. Cross out this. Now next one is, this is 3 is same, so we will go for the next one, that is 3 and 0. So which one is smaller? 3.03 is smaller. Cross out. Then this number will come. Cross out. Now we will concentrate for the remaining numbers. So now here 0.3, 0 and 3, again which one is the greater number? 3 and 3, this is same. So we will go for the next digit, 3 and 0. So which one is greater? This 3 is greater, so 0.33. Next one will be 0.303, and the smallest one will be 0.03. So this is the way we arrange decimals in descending order. These are my upcoming videos. You can see the subtopics. Thank you for watching my today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also to watch my next video.